Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to make the menu links non-clickable in Shopify. So here I am in my Shopify account, and then first let's open our website store. To click on online store, and then I will click on view store. Then from here, as you can see, I have my menu right here at the top left, and then when I click on it, it goes to its pages. So what we're going to do is that we're going to make this non-clickable by adding a drop-down menu. So in order to do that, let's go back to Shopify. Then from here, we will click on customize. And then from here, we will select the header. And then click on the header option. Click on menu. And then click on edit. And then this will open up another page so that we can edit our menu. And then in order to make the menu item into a drop-down menu, we will add another item right here. So I will do the shop item. So first I will add a menu item. So I'll just name this categories. And then the link will be the collections. Then I'll click check. And then there will be like a line right here. You can just drag your mouse to the right to make sure that it is part of that item, and then it will become a drop-down menu. As you can see, I now have the shop item that has the categories item inside of it. And then what I'm going to do is that I will also add another item. I will add the all collections, and then I will move this item inside of my categories item, like that. Then I will click on check, and then check. Then I will add another item, which is the shirt. And then the other one will be the stationery. So I have this drop-down menu right here. And then when we go back to our website, but first let's save this. Now that we have saved our main menu, let's go back to the website, click on reload, and then as you can see, the shop item has now become a drop-down menu. And then as you can see, whenever I click on the shop item, it doesn't lead me to the page that it does earlier. So we have made the shop item into a non-clickable menu link, and then I can only just go to its items right here whenever I navigate to the categories. For some people, it still becomes clickable whenever they made the menu item into a drop-down menu. What you can do is that, let's go back here to our main menu, and then for example, I will change the home item, and then we will change the link, and then you will just remove this, and then you can just enter like a hashtag right here, and then click on check, and then I will do the same for the contact. So I'll show you what the contact page is. So when I click on contact page, it leads to the contact page. But when I change the link into the hashtag, and then click on save, and then refresh our store, and then as you can see, whenever I wait, we just need to reload this another reload. Then make sure this is saved, and then we need to double check our item. You need to click again the edit button, and as you can see, the link hasn't been saved correctly. So what we can do is that we can delete this, enter the hashtag again, and then click on this option right here, and then click on the check button, and then click on save. And then when we see the contact item, it now has the hashtag as its link. So click on save again and then reload our website. And then whenever I click on the contact item, as you can see, it is not clickable anymore and it doesn't lead me to the contact page. And then that is it. That is how we create the menu links into non-clickable in Shopify. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.